Looking to upgrade your kitchen in 2025? Air fryers have become a household staple, delivering crispy, delicious food with little to no oil. With so many models out there, we've narrowed down the top 5 best air fryers of 2025. This guide will help you decide which one fits your lifestyle, budget, and cooking needs. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL is a high-performance, 5.5-quart air fryer that offers powerful 1,750-watt cooking. It comes with Max Crisp technology, which means it can hit 450 degrees Fahrenheit to cook frozen foods incredibly fast and crispy. It features 7 preset functions: air fry, air roast, reheat, dehydrate, bake, broil, and max crisp. Experience. Users love how quickly it preheats and how evenly it cooks everything from chicken wings to sweet potato fries. It's particularly popular for its non-stick ceramic basket that's easy to clean. The control panel is intuitive and responsive. In real kitchens, people say it cuts cooking time in half while giving that golden finish everyone wants. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus ClearCook. The Vortex Plus is an air fryer with a window. Yes, the ClearCook window lets you watch your food cook without opening the basket. It has a 6-in-1 feature set: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, broil, and dehydrate. It uses Even Crisp technology for extra crunch. Experience. People love watching their food cook. It's a surprisingly satisfying bonus feature. Beyond the aesthetics, it cooks evenly and quietly. It's especially efficient with fries, veggies, and reheating leftovers. The touchscreen is sleek, and cleaning the tray is hassle-free. Number 3. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. A new-gen air fryer designed with TurboBlaze technology, meaning faster and more energy-efficient cooking. It has 9 preset functions and a 6-quart capacity, making it ideal for families. It also includes a stainless steel interior, which improves durability. Experience. Users say this is the fastest air fryer they've used. Chicken breasts come out juicy, and veggies are crisp without getting dried out. It's also noticeably quieter than many other air fryers. The stainless steel parts give it a premium, long-lasting feel. Number 4. Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 8-quart 2-basket air fryer. This dual-basket air fryer lets you cook 2 different foods at once, using separate times and temps. It supports 6 functions including air broil, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Each basket is 4 quarts, 8 quarts total, and you can sync them to finish at the same time using Smart Finish. Experience. Families rave about the ability to cook 2 meals at once, like fish in one basket and veggies in another. It's a game changer for weeknight multitasking. Despite its size, it doesn't feel bulky on the counter, and the baskets slide in and out easily. Number 5. Instant 10-quart air fryer. This is a large-capacity air fryer oven, not just a basket style. With 10-quart space and rotisserie capabilities, it's more of a countertop oven than a basic fryer. It includes trays, a rotisserie spit, and an adjustable temperature range for advanced cooking. Experience. Users enjoy how much food it can handle, especially whole chickens or multiple trays of wings. The rotisserie function gets a lot of praise for even cooking and juicy results. It does take up more counter space, but people say it's worth it if you're feeding a crowd.